Welcome to our Git tutorial. In this video, we will explore 3 popular Git workflow strategies: feature branch workflow, Git flow workflow, and pull request workflow. Understanding these strategies will help you manage your projects more efficiently and collaborate effectively with your team. First, let's look at the feature branch workflow. This strategy involves creating a new branch for each feature or bug fix, allowing you to work independently from the main codebase. In this workflow, the main branch is kept stable, while feature branches are used for development. Once a feature is complete, it is merged back into the main branch. Let's create a feature branch. In your terminal, type git checkout, be feature branch to create and switch to a new branch. Now, make your changes in this branch. Once you're done, stage and commit your changes with git add. And git commit, add new feature. To merge the feature branch back into the main branch, switch to the main branch with git checkout main and then merge with git merge feature branch. This workflow allows you to develop features in isolation and ensure the main branch remains stable. Next, let's explore the Git flow workflow. This strategy is more complex and structured, making it suitable for larger projects and teams. Git flow uses multiple branches: the main branch for production-ready code, the develop branch for integration, feature branches for new features, release branches for preparing new releases, and hotfix branches for urgent fixes. Start by creating a develop branch from the main branch with git checkout, be develop. For new features, create a feature branch from develop with git checkout, be feature branch. Once the feature is complete, merge it back into the develop branch with git checkout develop and git merge feature branch. For releases, create a release branch from develop with git checkout, be release 1.0. After finalizing the release, merge it into both main and develop branches with git checkout main and git merge release 1.0, then git checkout develop and git merge release 1.0. For hotfixes, create a hotfix branch from main with git checkout, hotfix-1.0.1, and after fixing, merge it into both main and develop branches. Git flow ensures a clean and structured workflow, ideal for managing complex projects. Finally, let's look at the pull request workflow. This strategy involves using pull requests to review and discuss code before merging it into the main branch. Pull requests facilitate collaboration by allowing team members to review code changes, discuss potential issues, and ensure code quality before merging. Let's create a pull request on GitHub. First, push your feature branch to the remote repository with git push origin feature branch. On GitHub, navigate to your repository and click New Pull Request. Select your feature branch and compare it with the main branch. Add a title and description for your pull request, then click Create Pull Request. Your team members can now review the changes, leave comments, and approve the merge. Once approved, merge the pull request by clicking Merge Pull Request. This workflow ensures that all changes are reviewed and discussed before integration. To recap, we've covered 3 Git workflow strategies: feature branch workflow for isolated feature development, Git flow workflow for structured project management, and pull request workflow for collaborative code review. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll explore advanced Git techniques and best practices. Stay tuned.